Welcome to all. Today let's see how to create a fruit monster, a kind of fruit manipulation. So open a picture of the fruit and a picture of an animal. Open a new document. Either go to File, New, or right click and click on the new document. So I am going to give a document with a size of 800 by 600 pixels with a resolution of 72 pixels. Click on OK, and now I have a new document over here. Now we have to move this picture to the new document that we have created. So using the move tool, move the fruit into the new document. So once you place the fruit over the new document, it will be placed in a separate layer. Now in the similar way, move the animal picture into the new document. Now the animal picture is bigger in size when compared with that of the fruit picture. So I am going to transform this picture into a small one. So Ctrl+T for free transform, and now resize the image. I wish my fruit monster, for the fruit monster, my mouth should be in the right side. So right click and flip horizontal. So now our mouth is in the right hand side. Now I'll drop down the opacity level so that we can see where our mouth exactly comes. And this is fine. Click on apply to edit. Now increase the opacity level to 100%, and now select the lasso tool and mark the areas around the mouth. Once the area is selected, click on select, inverse, and the other part will be selected. So now click on delete. The selected part will be left and the other part will be deleted. Ctrl D to deselect it. So now using a eraser tool, erase the area around the mouth. So for this remaining area, instead of using our eraser tool, I am going to use my pen tool and make a selection over the right hand side part of the mouth. So now select the pen tool and make a path selection. So now once the path is being selected, right click, make selection, and the feather radius of 0 pixel, click on OK, and once it's being selected, click on delete. Now that area will be deleted. Ctrl D to deselect. Now once again zoom out, and now here few areas are being visible, so use a eraser tool and erase it off completely. Now we can move this mouth part and place it over where we wish our mouth to be. Now using the move tool, you can move the second image, that is the part of the mouth, over the place where you wish your mouth should be in the fruit, and you can transform it by pressing Ctrl+T, and you can move it anywhere where you want. So I wish my mouth to be placed over here. So click on apply to edit, and now over here the fruit and the mouth should be together, and over here the fruit should be correctly placed at the edge of the mouth. So click on the layer which contains the fruit, and using the lasso tool select the area near the upper part of the mouth, and once selected, go to edit, transform and warp, and once it's done, you can move the mouth so that you can move the part of the fruit so that it meets the edge of the mouth. So this is fine. So click on apply to edit, Ctrl+D, and now here as you can see the fruit and the mouth meets the correct point. In the similar way, mark the area near the lower part of the mouth, and once your area is being selected, click on edit, transform and warp, and once again in the similar way we have to adjust it in such a way that the fruit and the mouth meets correctly. Now click on apply to edit, Ctrl+D, and now we are going to erase off this part because this part is not necessary for us. So now select the eraser tool and use a bigger sized eraser to erase it off. So now our fruit monster is finished. If you wish, that is if you want the mouth of the monster to be a little bit broader, then you can use the free transform option and you can extend the mouth, and once you extend it you have to match the edge of the fruit with the edge of the animal's mouth. In similar way you have to do it for both upper mouth and for the lower mouth. For me this is okay, so I have finished it with this. If you wish you can even make the mouth broader. So an easy and an different tutorial where we have combined both the fruit and the animal's mouth to create a fruit monster, a kind of fruit manipulation. Try this tutorial and give me your feedback. Thank you.